69 nationals returned this week as phase 3 of lifting of COVID-19 restrictions begin. TTPS takes first step to starting its own ballistic testing. And in sport, concerns arise for Windies tour of England from hosts. More nationals are expected to return home this week. Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh confirmed the latest development at the Ministry of Health's virtual press conference on Monday. Khrystal Wilson has more in this report.
69 people are scheduled to return to this country this week, some of whom will be housed at the National Racket Center in Tacarigua. This, according to Health Minister Terrence Deyalsingh at a virtual press conference to update on COVID-19 related matters. Minister Deyalsingh said also included in the group are a number of people from the cruise ship.
For this week, we have coming in 29 persons from one of the cruise ships. Hopefully they will go to Tacarigua. We have the party from Venezuela that we have been expecting on and off for about a week and a half or 2 weeks now, 30 from Caracas. We are keeping Brooklyn and Sangre Grande ready for them. And we have 10 persons expected from Guyana. They will be going to the Pinal DB campus.
Meanwhile, the latest COVID-19 positive patient and the 2 family members remain in quarantine at the Home of Football in Couva. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram said the Home of Football was best suited to the patient at this time, as the patient's condition is described as mild.
So I was told by the Caribbean Public Health Agency that it seems like a weekly positive result, meaning in this particular instance, it seems like the period of infection would have been passed in terms of significant infection, and they would now be in an almost convalescent stage. As you would remember, Home of Football was used for convalescent patients in the past.
And the health minister also disclosed that the patient and 2 relatives were granted exemption through the Ministry of National Security and arrived via air ambulance last Thursday. The minister assured all protocols were followed and that the family was immediately quarantined, thereby removing the risk of secondary and tertiary contacts.
This speaks to how robust we are in Trinidad and Tobago, because then we don't have to do any contact tracing, and there is no possibility that other family members, other members of the household, friends, family, public transportation or anything would have been an issue.
Ministry of Health officials said if the patient's condition worsens, she will be removed and sent to one of the hospitals which has been assigned for COVID-19 patients. Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.